Hi guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Today I'll be making festival. I requested. I'll use this festival mix. Yep, not everything from scratch. I'll add flour, baking powder, sugar, and a bit of salt to this. I don't know why, but I just don't like using just the plain mix. I like to add a little bit of extra flour. So you'll see as I go along. 1 pack festival mix, and this is just cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Same thing if you make it from scratch yourself, but instead of using the coarse cornmeal, you can use finer grain cornmeal. So I'll add a cup of flour, teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sugar. So just mix everything. And remember, when you're making festival, you don't want your festival to be hard, dense, tough. No, you want a really soft festival. So we're not gonna make the dough as tight as making regular regular dough. So I have 2 cups water. I might not use all, but we'll see. I like my dough to be very soft. Perfect. And that's it. Remember, you don't want to over mix because you don't want your dough to be really tight. And my water is not cold, room temperature, or a little bit warmish. Now I'll cover this and leave it for a few hours. Leave this until later. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Nettie's amazing house. Nettie's amazing house. One love.